Hello everybody, it's Mindy and I have some fun things to show you. I'm so excited to open this one. We're going to save that till the end. All right, this is from FGNORMAL. Thank you, FGNORMAL. I don't know if I have him. I don't know. I might have. I probably have him in a full drill, but I don't know if I remember. I don't remember getting it in a special drill. Anyhow, if I did, I got one up for grabs for somebody. I have to look through. But I would love to do this. Smashing the Specials is right now. That would be so much fun to do right now. Look at, he's like, be happy. He's got his beehive. He's got everything. He's got his bees, his honey. It's all there. There are 15 different shapes, sizes, colors, all that good stuff. Gosh, I might have him. I don't know. Anyhow, thank you, FGNORMAL. I picked it out. You know, like I said, I haven't gotten any duplicates of my large paintings, knock on wood, but I have gotten a few duplicates of the smaller things. So anyhow, look at the pretty colors. They are bright too. Bright orange, bright yellow, some browns, a green, a clear, like a lime green, another yellow, a blue, I don't know, gray kind of color. That's black resin. Then we just have a few specials. Yellow, pearls, gold, and some white iridescent teardrops. Pearly color. I love them. Love them. So I've got to organize. It's time to organize again. All right, there's that. So based on my budget, I had a little bit left here for some of these. These are glow in the dark. Yeah, I'll see if I can get them to glow in the dark for us and show you that they glow. I don't know. It's in a bag in a bag, I believe. Yeah, there's another bag in here. So I'll see if I can get them to glow. And if I can, I'll show you. But I figured I'd get purple because they'll look purple when they're not glowing. And purple is my favorite color. So I'm certain I could find some place to put those, right? These were only a couple dollars. They weren't bad at all. Nice, decent price for those. And that's quite the hefty bag of some glow-in-the-dark drills, right? So, got that. Now, I'm not going to show you this. I'm not going to show you the box first. I'm not going to show it to you. I want it to be a surprise. It's always fun to find something new with diamond painting on it, right? Always exciting to find something new that you haven't seen before. So we have wood. It's wood. There's our drill kit. Oh, look we have an emery board. Oh, we got some work ahead of us, don't we? We got work to do. Here's our drills. Not many drills. But let's see, what do we have here? Oh, we've got some cord. That's like a little leather cord. We got all these little pieces, which I'm assuming are gonna go inside all these little slots that you see to put this together. And I think the emery board is just in case you need to like file something down. If you have any rough edges or the holes, you know, need a little filing, you'll have it. So there's that. Hopefully this is not hard to figure out how to put together. There's that piece. This piece here. We got two of these. Oh boy, like I said, I hope it's not hard to put together. And then we have these. But only one has drills on it. Yep, that's the back. Do you know what it is yet? Do you know what it is yet? That'll be the back. I bet you do now, don't you? And this is the front. That's the front. I love it. It's a birdhouse. Yep, it's a birdhouse. And it's got two little bluebirds on it. Like I said, there's not a ton of drills on it, but it will be so cute. All right, let me show you the box, and I'll show you what it looks like. So we have the base, which I'm certain is this piece here. This is our base. And this is our overhang, right? That'll be our overhang here, like our front porch. This will go in here, right? Won't it? I think it will. No, it has to do something else first, maybe. I don't know. We got the slanted roof. This will be the back. So we got backs, sides. Maybe that's the side. I don't know. I'm going to have to figure it out. Are there any instructions? Nope. Nope. This is where my husband comes in handy, right? Yeah. This is the roof. That's not the roof. That's got to be the sides. This is the roof. I don't know. We'll figure it out. We will figure it out. Anyhow, had to get it. Had to get it. Had to try it. That's what it looks like. Very pretty, right? Very pretty. All right. And then here's the rest of our tools to put it together with. And you'll notice that we have, oh no, I guess they're all the same size. I thought there were some bigger ones and some smaller ones, but I guess that's not really true. I guess they're all the same size. They all go in the little slots to put it together. Let's look at the drills. You know, if I could get Dale to put this together for me, except for the front, I bet you can't do that though. I don't know. It won't take long. I'm gonna put drills on this one. I'm gonna get this one done so we can get it put together. Maybe not by the end of this video, but you'll see it soon. All right, some greens, blues, orange, browns, black, blue, green. And then here's our special ones. Those are gorgeous. Absolutely stunning those are. Look at orange, yellow, and pink. Love those. Those are gorgeous. Then we have some small ones. I mean, they kind of go together, right? These are more pink. I don't know. And then we have orange, round, faceted. It's going to be pretty. Now, can I put it outside? Can you actually use it for a bird feeder, a birdhouse? Not a feeder, a house? Why not? I mean, why not? Why not use these things? You know, that's my thought lately. Why not put these things outside? Let them be what they're gonna be and see how they turn out. You know, why not? Yeah. So anyhow, Mr. Dipple, I need your help. We need to put a birdhouse together. All right, that's what I got, you guys. If I get these to glow, I'll just put a little glowy picture at the end or something. It probably won't be a video, just a picture of them glowing. All right. Okay. Thank you, FGNORMAL. I'm excited to see this one. I'm going to do that one right away. It won't take long. All right. As a matter of fact, I don't have a project going right now. I'm going to start that one right now. I might have it done before he gets home from work. Yeah. All right. Thanks for watching, everybody. I hope you enjoyed, and I will talk to you soon. Bye, everybody.